Alright guys, so today I have some hobby packs of contender draft picks, elite, and contenders. These are mega packs. Not sure if they're any different than the lower blaster packs and hangers, but I guess we'll find out. We'll just go with that one first because it's not a hobby pack. These are just a couple random packs I got. Should be getting more of the contender draft picks here pretty soon. I think I have like 3 packs. Devin Singletary, Kenyon Drake, an insert, unstoppable Shaquille Barrett, and our rookie is Julian Blackmon. So second pack. Kid Reporter on the back, so I don't know if that means anything. Devin McCourty, Ricky Jackson. We got a brilliant Drew Brees. That's pretty cool. And our rookie is JaMycal Hasty. Kid Reporter for you guys. So we'll just go with 2019 contenders since it's last year. Go with that first. Nice Mitchell Trubisky on the back, it looks like. Got a Kerryon Conley, Reggie White. We got point redemption. So for 250 points. So that's cool, I guess. Bo Jackson, Sam Darnold, and a Mitchell Trubisky. Next pack. We got a Delaney Walker, Calvin Ridley. We got a Julio Jones, some sort of parallel. Looks pretty cool. Put that in the hit pile. Got a MVP, Dak, Jared Goff, and another Dak, and a Kid Reporter that's too old to use. This has a guaranteed hit on the rookie contender draft picks, so we'll put that one last. So we'll roll through the 4 packs of elite first. We got a Nick Chubb, Jake Fromm out of 799. Nice rookie. Yeah, he's a rookie. We got a 2000 Donruss Elite foil for Tyreek Hill. That's actually a really cool card. I'm going to keep that one. Got a Mike Evans and a Von Miller and a Kid Reporter card. On to the next pack. We have a Jared Stidham. Looks like we have something purple in here. Zadarius Smith. We got a Spellbound Derrick Henry, AJ Brown, and Minkah Fitzpatrick. So some good cards coming out of this, I feel like. No auto or anything yet, but I guess we'll find out. Big Ben. Got a Zeke. Deshaun Watson tidal waves. Carson Wentz and Julian Edelman. So last pack here. Looks like a Juju on the back. Got a Josh Allen, Kenny Galladay, Colin Johnson out of 399 rookie card. Not sure if he's got any playing time. Kirk Cousins and Juju. So, kind of a lot of base cards there, but it is what it is. So, on to the college draft picks, or contender draft picks. So, we got a Mason Rudolph, Darrell Henderson, Phillip Rivers, man, throwback. Emmitt Smith, Todd Gurley, Josh Jacobs. Here's our hit, I guess. Anthony Gandy Golden. Not sure if he's gotten a lot of playing time. I don't even know exactly who he plays for at this point. I know I pulled his rookie card, but I can't remember the team. So that's our hit, unfortunately. Isaiah Simmons, game day ticket, Jeff Okudah. Got a collegiate connections, Henry Ruggs and Jerry Jeudy. And really soon you'll have Devontae Smith. We got Michael Pittman, 2020 class contenders. Got a legacy, Dan Marino and Tony Dorsett. Devin Singletary, Sam Darnold, Jared Goff, Kamara, Mark Andrews, and a Dalvin Cook. So I guess for the most part, you're just looking for the hit, and if it doesn't hit, you're not getting much. So there it is, guys. I'm going to have a lot of bigger pulls coming up. I think I'm going to have like 5 blaster boxes of Absolute, plus some other stuff. So just look out for that. And I hope you're liking these videos, and I'm going to keep putting them out as I can. So take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.